Wish there was a magic solution to keep all your essentials within reach while keeping your space tidy. Naomi Home Present, the Ciara Upholstered Lift Top Ottoman. A game-changing storage ottoman that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. This multifunctional masterpiece provides ample storage for blankets, pillows, books, and more, freeing up valuable floor space and keeping your living room organized. This lift top ottoman comes in various colors such as black, cream, caramel, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.